My inspiration came from a gorgeous sunny winter walk with my dogs. Just look at it, I'm so lucky to have this on my doorstep. I went straight back and created a colour palette. All the characters were designed on my computer, and it allows me to change the shape of them, the design, and more importantly, the colours. For example, this owl character, I decided I want his nose to be a bit cheekier, and look, it really does change the whole look of his face. The next job is to make the most of the material that we have. So I don't want to have too much waste. So it's a case of fitting all these characters to scale around the height chart. It's a bit of a fiddly job and certainly not my favourite element of it. But it also is important to make the sheet look interesting, so that when our customers buy something, they not only have the height chart, but they have lots of other stickers that they can put on the walls, and their children can move around as well. So I've tried to include at least 2 of everything, plus some additions like leaves. Our machine recognises a pink line in order to cut around the fabric. It does cut slowly and without fraying, so it's important that we get this pink line in the right position. I don't want a white element around this design, so I need to make sure that it's very, very close. It is a fiddly job, but it's such fun when you see the machine actually doing it. It doesn't print the pink line. And this is our machine printing it. This is a sped up version of the print, but it is quite hypnotic to watch. The machine also has a drying feature, so it rolls it backwards and forwards across its heated roller to dry the ink. And then the next stage is that the cut starts. Now this is sped up, it goes a lot slower in real life, and it doesn't work in a logical fashion either. It's absolutely fascinating to watch, but it does do it very accurately, and the blade lasts for ages and it doesn't fray the material either. So you can see how it very carefully cuts around all the little edges of this deer. Very clever. We've nicknamed this machine the BFP, the Big Friendly Printer, because it's so kind to us. Then it's over to the hand finishing. We have to be careful because this was a test cut and the blade has missed some pieces, or it needs some changes to the pink line. So very carefully we're weeding this away and using a little knife to stop any fray. It is a fiddly job, but it is rewarding. So when you get the stickers, they're ready to peel off and put straight on the wall. There's no waste at all. As the sales come in, we wrap the orders individually. It's such fun to see them going off onto their new home. The height charts come with a Sharpie pen, so you can unroll them straight away, stick the images on the wall,